9174 Mackanos. So obviously this property could use a landscape cleanup. I noticed a few houses on the street that were not taking care of their yards, but overall some things that are really nice about it are how wide the street is, and there are people who do take care of their yards. So this isn't a really desirable area of South Las Vegas. I actually live very close to here. You don't often find decent sized lots with wide streets, and you can park on the streets unless there's HOA restrictions, but it's not very common. So even though you have some properties not taking care of their landscaping, there is that plus as well. Okay, there is a very strong smell in here. I have no idea what it is. I'm guessing it has something to do with moisture. I don't know. There's a musty smell as well. So the carpet doesn't look like it's completely set in place. I don't know if that was water damage. That's something that I can look into. I can ask the agent if there's any significant items on the SRPD that they might as well show people now. So this is also that new texture that I've been seeing in some of the higher end homes. And also, there's this small eat-in area over here, so you could actually put a smaller table here, so you wouldn't have a full-size dining table, unless you put it over here, in which case you would want to put vinyl planks or something and replace this carpet all anyway, which I'm pretty sure has to be done no matter what. But the vinyl planks, the luxury waterproof ones that we would recommend, are about $5 a square foot. These are not the white that we recommend. The white holds up better. We do have white over there. I think this side of the house is the west side. It will be getting some sun, but we do have what looks like a screen on that side, not that side. Property manager will make a call of whether or not we can keep it. So it looks like they may have stained the cabinets at one point. It actually looks okay, and I'm not sure that they did. I think they did. I'm pretty sure they did. If you could leave it for now, that would obviously save money. So that's the property manager's call as well. The backyard. So as someone who lives in the South, I would love this backyard. So it's fairly private, as you can see. And you have nice high walls, and you don't have to worry about your neighbor's dogs or anything. So, huge plus for me. A lot of times what you're seeing now are those shorter vinyl fences that are like 5 feet tall. So definitely landscape cleanup, of course. Maybe we can extend that pipe a little bit off the roof. And that's a very easy thing to do. Just so we can keep the water from falling on the house itself. Okay, the garage is actually nice. No complaints. The door looks nice as well. So we have like a creamish white on this wall, then it changes to that almost peach. Yeah, these are repaint, which, yeah, These are a little warped. Maybe they can stay for now. Closet door guides. The carpet seems fine if we can keep it. Tile upstairs is a must. Need a shower rod. It's a sherbet-y color in here. I like the size of the closet. Carpet looks great. Okay, that's it.